I personally would never buy any Sony product anymore, no matter how awesome the commercial seems like. Hello guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Bose NC700, is that what it's called? The noise cancelling 700 headphone. I actually already own this headphone, and I'm just going to talk about my experience why I really like Bose. Let me just go ahead and open this box, and I'll talk about my experience. Tape on the side. Yeah, so this little sticker thing that you can pull on, and then it's pretty easy. I think there's one on the other side. You guys can go open that. And I'm just gonna open this box. Inside the box is the case for the headphone, and headphone inside. They have their I don't know what this is called, kind of hole in this little tab. And inside the box, there's the little thing, I guess, keeping it dry. And there's the instruction. I wouldn't need to read it since I already been using this headphone for about a year now, I think. And I open this headphone box. It's a really subtle. It's like synthetic leather with a little subtle print on it. You can see that. And the inside of the box is like this little instruction how this works. I already know how it works, so I'm not going to worry about that. There's the headphone. This is the exact same one I had, the same color and stuff. And so yeah, and you open this little piece that kind of keep the two headphones apart. I'm just gonna throw it away, same with the instruction since I wouldn't need it. And yeah, so inside of that, there's the USB-C to USB cord. The headphone itself has the USB-C. I do wish it's USB-C to USB-C since most of the computer today have a USB-C cord. And then here's the 33 millimeter to the 35 to the 25. I'm not super technical. You guys can correct me. I know about being corrected. So this headphone has 3 buttons. So it has this little blue tooth icon on it. This button turns on the headphone. When it's on, you see the blue flashing light, and there's prepare to pairing. Down here, there's a button. That button can be set to Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. You just pick one. And this one is to allow you to adjust to the 3 level of noise cancelling. You can actually in the app there's 0 to 10, so 11 level of them, and you just set 3 to be your favorite, and you tap on this, you go to those 3 preset. And then all the control is actually on this right hand side of your panel. It's showing, and so it goes up and down for the volume going up and down. Forward is going kind of literally forward, and back going to the sound behind. Double tap, you can pick up the phone call. You can pause the music. For the button on the left side, if you hold on to it for a while, it actually will turn off the noise cancelling. So the headphone will start picking up the noise, and you can hear the outside voice again. Yeah, so that's the basic of it, of this headphone. I won't be able to show you guys how it sounds like. The quality of the music actually sounds really good. I actually think it sounds very similar to the other headphone that I have. This is the Bose QC35 Mark II, and it's the same thing with Mark I. It just has this one extra button for assistant. But the sound between the QC35 Mark II and 1, probably, I don't own the 1, so I don't know, but I'm assuming that they sound the same. They're famous for their mid-tone, so they sound really good in the mid-range. But I would have to say that their bass is actually really good too. And then also that recently Bose added the EQ control in their app. That you can actually control this, that the bass can go pretty loud and they're really good. I kind of want to talk about this compared to Sony. Sony has a lot of headphones that came out, that the noise cancelling headphones, and then so I own a Sony, I think it's called XM 2000. I don't remember the exact name. But the Sony headphone has a more deeper, clear bass that actually sound much deeper, and they sound really good. But however, other than that, this headphone sounds better all around. It has a more, like, I don't know how to say it. It just sounds like when the music is playing, like guitar and stuff, it sounded a little more like real guitar sound. So it actually sounded better to me for the most case. And then the comfort of this, both of this and the QC30, they are both a lot more comfortable than Sony. Since Sony the design is really bulky on this side, I mean on both sides. So when you wear it on your head, and I'm just taking this so I can hear myself. When I cover myself, I can't really hear myself. So when you put it on the headphone, because the Sony being a little more bulky, when you, like, I was on the airplane once and then like I lean against this one side or the other side, it's super uncomfortable because they're like big. And then for the Bose, for both of the Bose headphones, I'm able to lay down and enjoy and not feeling like they are super uncomfortable, they're so annoying. And then this headphone also is much lighter than Sony. I do have to say that the QC35 I think it's a little more comfortable because the design. This is like one piece of metal piece right here that hang the headphone together and then kind of clamp to your head that help to like reduce the noise around you. It's slightly less comfortable and then sometimes push my glasses around compared to the QC35, but it's still more comfortable than Sony. And this is definitely still the most comfortable case. I think this is just a little more gentle. So now I'm gonna talk about why I ordered the NC700 again. The reason why I reordered this was actually kind of surprising. So one day I opened my headphone and then the little light down here right now is white. That shows you that it's in the normal. And then like when I opened it, it was flashing red and white. So I went to their website. So on their website, it says if it's blinking red and white, contact the Bose support. Because of that, I went and gave the support, and then I went on their website and trying to find someone to chat online to get it resolved. So I went on it, and it was a robot that responded. Usually I don't like the experience of a robot, but this time it's actually really pleasant because the robot was like, "Oh, well, how can I help you?" And I go, "It's my headphone is blinking the white and red." And then they show me 3 article titles, and then I'm guessing they want me to read the article, and I just don't like to read. So I see the button right under the 3 questions that did this help you? I click on it, didn't help me because I didn't want to read it. I just want to talk to someone. As soon as I click on it didn't help me, they pull up a page say your headphone is still under warranty. We will proceed to like the replacement, and that's the gist of it. It was really quick, and the experience was super. They didn't give me a bunch of questions. They didn't make me do a bunch of stuff. And compared to my experience with Sony, when I owned my Sony iPhone, it lasted 4 months before the side of the iPhone, the high band, start cracking, and then eventually broke in half. And then when it started cracking, I contacted Sony's customer support, and I asked them, "Hey, can you guys replace this iPhone it cracked with gentle use for 4 months?" I knew that the iPhone had the high band cracking problem for the first generation, and then I read that on the internet, and I was really concerned, but I still bought the second generation thinking that the problem was solved, and it wasn't the case. I had it for 4 months and it broke again, but the Sony customer support didn't want to help me at all. They keep telling me to contact different people, different department. They tell me to take picture, send them the picture, show them the picture. They look at the picture, go, it's not under the warranty. The physical damage is not a warranty cover stuff. And they gave me a lot of just hardship compared to, even though Sony gave me a real human to talk to, that experience was bad. And on the Bose end, even though they didn't give me a person, the customer support ended up being far better because they simply replaced my iPhone without giving me a lot of questions. And so with that said, I personally would never buy any Sony product anymore, no matter how awesome the commercial seems like. The customer service experience just breaks it for me. If any product break, I'm gonna go back to customer support. I know it's gonna help me on that end. And for Bose, I will recommend it to anybody. It actually sounded better all around, and the noise cancelling is far better. I've seen some other video or read on the internet stuff. Some people say they like the noise cancelling on Sony, but I have to say that this is much better. On Sony, I can hear a lot of things. I think the overall experience, this is much better. And anyways, let me know you guys' opinion and thoughts. I hope that this will help some people to make decision to buy iPhone. Maybe not specific to the 700, but whatever. I wouldn't go for Sony, go for a Bose. So anyway, thank you. I hope that you guys like my video. If you do like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.